Salamat. So, today is a special day. As Leah said, no, we will be launching the first ever retirement index in the Philippines. And of course, another variant, the newest variant of our Retire Assure product. Retirement, guys, is something very exciting. A lot of us are actually looking forward to retirement, di ba? Unless, nilalahat ko unless meron ba ditong hindi, meron ba ditong ayaw mag-retire? O wala, di ba? So I think it's safe to say that we're all looking forward to it. Sabi nga ni Leah, di ba, travel, ano ba yun? Farm life, financial freedom, financial security. However, when you talk of retirement, there is also, di ba, parang the flip side is, there are actually also worries around this topic. Meron bang brave soul who can share with me? Yun yung positive, di ba? Travel, financial security, farm life. What would be some issues or worries around the concept of retirement?
Hospitalization.
Sorry?
Hospitalization.
Hospitalization, exactly. Kasi di ba, we all know of the rising cost of healthcare. Alam natin na pag nag-retire tayo, we will have to be facing healthcare costs. So, sana hindi dahil na-diagnose tayo with sickness, but because we want to maintain our health, our wellness, di ba? What else? Sorry, I heard something here, the side. Wala. So personally ako, I'm actually worried, or my issue would be whether yung ipon ko ba, my savings, would be enough, to last me through the years that I am alive. So ang insurance po kasi addresses two things, two risks. The risk of dying too soon and the risk of living too long. Totoo po, yung second risk is very real, especially now with the technological advancements of us having longer lifespans, us enjoying a longer life, diba? So, very real po yung issue whether yung natabi po ba nating pera ay enough for us to, see through the rest of our lives. So we have healthcare costs, we have whether our savings will be enough. I guess these are financial worries, di ba po? Other issues would be around, I guess, social. Iniisip ko rin po parang, sino mag-aalaga sa akin? Who will I live with, di ba? Naisip ko rin po, parang what will I do after? Kasi yung iba marami sa atin, di ba, while working, we can't wait till we retire kasi it's only that time na we can start pursuing our advocacies. So, these are the non-financial issues around retirement. So, in life, pakilala ko lang po ulit, in life is the first and largest Filipino life insurance company in the country. We are also the only mutual company. By mutual po, it means wala pong may-ari sa amin, wala kaming stakeholders, especially abroad in other countries. The owners of our company are our policyholders. So being so, first and foremost, in terms of our priority, would be the best interest of our policyholders. So I guess, let me share with you that recently, proud lang po to share that we were awarded 4 golden arrows by the ICD. Just last week, I was also fortunate to attend, be part of the team who received that award. So we got 4 golden arrows in line with from ICD, in line with the ASEAN Corporate Governance Scorecard. So it shows you how we value good corporate governance and stakeholder accountability. Speaking of rewards, flex ko na rin. Nagka-flex na rin lang ako dito. I'd also like to mention that also very recently, last week, we also got recognized for being the second in the list of the Philippines' top employers. This is very much aligned with our brand promise of a lifetime for good as we promote the values of empowerment, belongingness, and love. So, love, let me qualify though that what we would like to advocate for would be real love. Speaking of retirements, madalas kasi di ba sinasabi sa atin, mahal naman ako ng pamilya ko, I can actually, rely on my children for me to have, for me to continue living once I retire. But real love is when you cut that intergenerational dependency. Kasi nga, mahal mo yung anak mo eh. So, wag natin silang asahan. Let them have, financial freedom also. So, we have to take care of ourselves. So, in life, being a Filipino mutual company means that we are in the best capacity to develop this retirement index and develop products na to address this. Because as Filipinos ourselves, though, we claim that we understand the Filipino psyche very, very much. So we're in the best position to create solutions that will address these financial needs of Filipinos. So the retirement index, hopefully you'll learn more about it later. The retirement index is not just a number. It's not just a score. It's actually a collective action. So we're here calling all of you, our friends from the media, to be our partners, to help spread the word, to help spread the message to our fellow Filipinos that it is very important for us to prepare for retirement. So, nananalig at naniniwala po kami na kayo ay kaakibat namin sa lusong nitong advocacy for us to, help our fellow Filipinos have better lives. So, maraming salamat po ulit for being here. Ako po, first time ko po dito sa Wolfgang Cinema, and I'm very excited with what's in store for all of you. I hope you are too, and maraming salamat po, and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.